Hello guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to set your profile photo on LinkedIn. So I've already opened my LinkedIn app on my phone, and then the first thing that you need to do is go to your profile by clicking this icon of your photo at the top left, and then click on the view profile. And then this is my current photo. Just click on the plus icon and then click on view or edit profile photo. Okay, if you want to change it, just click on add photo and then upload from photos and choose the photo that you want to use. So I'm gonna use this is just insane. I'm gonna use the same one, and then adjust the position and then click saving. Okay, if you've already done, just close it, and then your profile photo on LinkedIn has been changed. Okay, so just like that it's so easy. If you like the video, don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe our channel. Thank you all for watching. Bye bye.